Are you looking for a technique that will help you get out of feeling stuck? Or if you're in a little toxic cycle in your mind, would that be helpful to you? Or maybe, just maybe, you want to get up and get going. And you want something little small and practical in the morning that you can do that help you get going and jump out of bed. Okay, I've got it for you. First of all, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and welcome to Kundalini Yoga. If you made your way here, it's because somebody's told you about Kundalini Yoga, or you found this practice incredibly healing, and so you're back for a little more. And I'm delighted. Thank you for doing that. Today, we're covering breath of fire. Breath of fire sounds like what it is. It is a fast breath. It's meant to burn away the debris of thinking thoughts and any toxins in and around you, including your thinking process, your beliefs, your values, whatever's tripping you up and getting in your way. Here is a great way to use your breath to clear out that stuff so that you can feel more enlivened, more energized, and ready to leave the old stuff in the past. So let's do this together. Take a moment now to get settled on your seat. This won't take very long at all. It's a quick little practice. Roll your shoulders out, give yourself a little shake, and then we'll begin with breath of fire. There's a few pieces to this, so I'm going to teach it little by little so that you grab onto all the little elements of it. And I want to give you one precautionary thing. If you have experienced panic attacks, this is not the breathing technique for you. You can watch and you can help other people and refer them here. But if that is active right now for you, high level of anxiety or panic, please don't do this right now. It's not the best approach. And of course, you can find other things that can suit you better. Okay, so first of all, breath of fire is a fast breath. Secondly, we're going to be using an arm position, and that is to bring the hands above the head. You can also do it right here, and that's what I'm going to do just to make it easier for you to see and that keep everything on camera. Okay, so if you have full mobility in your elbows and your shoulders, you want to be putting your arms up above your head and bringing the thumb tips to touch. For the rest of us, we're just going to keep our hands right here. Either one is fine. We're burning up the ego. The ego is the part of us that wants to keep us safe, the part of us that doesn't want to stay out of doesn't want to leave our comfort zone. And so that's why we're activating the thumbs. Now, breath of fire comes from the nose, but the beginning way to teach it is to stick out your tongue and begin panting like a dog. And so let's do that together. Okay, so tongue is all the way out, panting like a dog. Remember, it's just you and me, not everybody's watching at the same time. So do your best to give yourself permission to go full expression. Okay, so it looks like this. I'm just going to do 10 seconds. This is the beginning part. Great. You've probably seen this before. You've seen animals cool down with that particular breathing pattern, and it's a really great way just to relax the body. Now, what we're going to do here is do that same technique. So we're going to bring the mudra in. We're going to do 10 seconds of panting like a dog just to get into the movement of it. And you could feel that when you're doing panting like a dog, your abdomen, your diaphragm is going in and out, in and out. And we want to keep that. And as soon as you feel that rhythm, I want you to close your mouth and do all of that through the nose. Okay, so first things first, the mudra. Remember that if you have full mobility, you can bring that mudra above your head and keep it there, or you can follow along with me and keep it right here. And what we want to do now is gently close the eyes, bring the focus to the tip of your nose. You can do this anytime your thoughts are getting grungy, they're getting harsh, they're getting judgy, they're getting, oh, you just want a little bit of a escape route or escape valve, I should say, or you want to get up and get going. Ready? So 10 seconds of panting like a dog, and then we're going to move to full breath of fire. If you're pregnant or menstruating, also not the best one for you, lots of different practices. Okay, ready? Let's go. Now, breath of fire, close the mouth and continue onwards. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. And relax. Woo! I feel it. Do you feel it? Now, remember, you can do this anytime, first thing in the morning, or you're getting up from a nap, or you just want to sitting at your desk and you want to revitalize. Amazing way to do that. I can feel the energy flowing already. 1 minute is an excellent amount of time. You can do 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and that will elevate the experience. And the cautionary notes are if there is high level of anxiety, panic attacks, pregnant or menstruating, this is not the one, but you can come back to it when you come out of those conditions and pass it on to friends. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thanks for being here. Try it out. Drop a comment below. Let me know how it worked out for you. Until next time.